Hey guys, welcome to my day 2 of 10 days of fall. Today's tutorial is on this beautiful barnwood style kind of apple orchard themed cup. This is done with alcohol ink. I really love how it turned out. This is only my second wood grain cup, and my first one is on my channel probably a year and a half, 2 years ago now. Yes, I don't know. There's something about fall and apples, apple picking. Where I'm from in Idaho, we used to go to this fun little place where they had all these apple pumpkin farms, like all the things. Like that was the thing to do in fall. So in Texas, I don't think we have that, and I'm kind of sad. But I'm gonna need to find some new fall traditions here in Texas. And sweaters is not gonna be one of them. It is hot. I currently have the AC off, and it's getting hotter in here by the second. But yeah, let's get back to the cup, and if you guys want to see how I got this look, let's get into the tutorial. And don't forget to come back tomorrow for day 3. All right, let's go. So starting off with this 30-ounce tapered cup from Hog, taking off the lid and prepping with mattify. Once that was done, I'm just doing a white base using the flat white Rust-Oleum paint. I always like to use a white base when I'm doing alcohol ink wood grain. Once that was dry, I'm using some alcohol ink. These are just some different browns: espresso, teakwood, and latte. I just like to combine the different tones of brown. So I'm just squirting some of them onto a piece of like wax paper. You could use a tray or whatever. This just is what I had. So just taking kind of a firm, stiff brush, dipping that in there and swirling it on the cup. I don't like to do kind of straight lines because wood grain is not straight, but it kind of does go in lines. It's just not completely straight. So I kind of just do little wavy patterns. Just dipping back in. And then to kind of create little knots in the wood, I kind of just do circles and like little swoopy motions. You'll kind of see what I mean, but I kind of just keep going with this method until the whole cup is covered. So here I'm just kind of forming my knots a little more, and you kind of just keep dipping back into the alcohol ink and back onto the knot and making it smaller and smaller, more concentrated in the middle, and it ends up looking like a real wood knot. It's just really easy to make it look realistic doing this technique with alcohol ink. So then I sealed it with some clear matte spray paint. Then this is where it all went wrong. I was trying to do like a white, like almost make it look like a white washed wood, like a white barnwood. It just did not work how I pictured it in my head. So I ended up taking off that epoxy, and I used alcohol to do that. And even though I sealed it, it still was messing up the wood grain that I had done. I don't know if I should have sealed it more or if it still would have just messed it up, but I decided let's go with a barnwood look. Let's add some black and white to this, just the same technique going on with a kind of stiff brush. Just swiping kind of along those same motions. For some reason, the black alcohol ink looks a little more like bluey purple than black, but I think it ends up looking kind of like barnwood, like if it were to have been painted like a blue or gray at one point. You'll see how it kind of transforms and like comes together. I was kind of nervous at this point, but adding the white. Then I decided to add a little bit more brown. This is one of the darker browns, just to kind of bring it back in. I don't know, it was looking a little too like white blue. So this really helped to kind of tone that down and make it look more like aged wood. But I'm sure you could do this with a lot of different colors, different types of alcohol ink or different brands, and get this kind of really cool, like just aged wood look. Walk up the river by my son. Feet step over splinters of the moon. I wanted to go with this kind of apple orchard theme. I found this apple orchard decal on Etsy. I will link it down below. And I just made in one of my apps like a little thing to go behind it. I used this kind of deep red vinyl for this. I thought that would just look really nice because apples are red, and it just worked. Golden things, golden, I follow only golden, golden things. And I should have made this decal a little smaller because it is tapered a little bit at the top even. So it didn't want to wrap around nice and smooth, but I worked with it and made it work. So you can see it kind of folded and overlapped. So I just took that off with one of our needle pens and just kind of replaced it on there. But if this had been like half an inch smaller, it would have been so much easier to place this on. So I ended up adding like a little apple decal on the bottom. My phone died before it stopped recording, so I didn't get that footage. But I did 2 layers of epoxy and this cup was done. I did actually end up adding a little bit of alcohol ink on the decal as well to kind of give it a little distressed look. But this is the final look and I love how it turned out. It just really looks like a really old aged either tree or barnwood. And I really love apples, apple picking in the fall. Like it's just the fall thing to do. So that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys like it and I will see you in the next one. Bye.